Okay. I feel like I should sit on like something. Hold on. I gotta get a freaking... There's nothing in my house. Okay, I'll sit on my couch cushion. My house is in a box. As you can see behind me, I'm moving out. I am moving out! Oh, I'm moving out! Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna live? Oh, I need to stretch for this flight. I don't even know where to begin this video, but yeah, I'm moving out. I have to leave to the airport in 20 minutes, and I really wanted to film this video, so despite the fact that half my house is still not packed, I'm filming this video because to me this is more important. I really wanted to get this moment out before I leave this apartment, because I leave to the airport, like I said, in 20 minutes, and once I exit those apartment doors, I'm out of this apartment. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out. I've been sleeping. Oh my God. I've been sleeping right here because the movers moved my bed. I've been wearing the same change of clothes with the exception of underwear because I'm not nasty like that for 5 days. But the one thing I've been doing is my skincare. Which, speaking of skincare, brings us to the sponsor for this video, Clarins. It is literally fate that Clarins reached out and wanted me to talk to you guys about the double serum eye. I love the Clarins double serum. When I tell you I finished the first bottle I had and then I moved on to the like jumbo size bottle, I'm obsessed with this stuff. It is literally like liquid gold is what it is. When I found out they came with the double serum eye, mind blowing. So the double serum eye is 2 serums packed in one for vividly smoother, firmer, hydrated, more youthful looking appearance in just 7 days. It's really cool when you pump it because you can distinctly see the 2 serums working together. The double serum eye has a naturally powerful performance, crafted with 96% natural ingredients. This 2-in-1 formula is packed with 13 plant extracts, including turmeric and wild chervil. I actually sleep like I am fighting the pillow. I think because of that, I always wake up with puffy eyes. Like, I'm a really deep sleeper and I like to roll around. Naturally, I just wake up with puffy eyes every single day. This double serum eye literally saves me in the morning. I can apply makeup over it. It's just an amazing formula. You guys need to try this eye serum. I promise you will love it. It just feels so different, so unique, and so nourishing. Become your own eye expert by adding Clarins double serum eye to your routine today. Available at clarinsusa.com. Period. I don't have a new apartment, which is scary, but oddly, I feel at peace and I feel really excited. So as you guys know, about 2 years ago, I had a house. I owned a house in LA and I decorated it to the nines. It was this beautiful home that was like beachy, boho. The home was adorable. But I got this sense at the beginning of like the whole, oh my God, the fuzz got in my eye. During the beginning of this whole pandemic, I realized that I didn't want to be there anymore. And even though I had this beautiful home and it just didn't feel like home to me anymore, it felt just like a box. And I really just wanted to expand and just try something freaking different. I just kind of like, I talked to myself and I was like, what's it worth, you know? Staying in a place that you freaking hate, that you just don't like. For what? For what? Who is in charge of you other than you, you know? And obviously like there's the job and there's like, I have to live in LA for work and like everything happens in LA and all this, like there's so much noise that was in my head when I decided to sell my house. But I told myself, it was all gonna work out. It was all gonna be okay. I just needed to take a chance, you know? And so I did take a chance. I sold my house and I had this goal when I sold my house to travel. I had this goal to be nomadic and live in Airbnbs and camp and just kind of like force myself to just get out more because my mind was like, if I didn't have a home, it would force me in a way to like do the things I've always wanted to do, but just felt way too comfortable within these four walls, you know? So anyway, I sold that house and I was counting down the days until I was homeless, you know? Until I didn't have a new lease. And the truth is, I freaked out. It was peak Corona times. I couldn't really travel anywhere, so I don't know what I was thinking I was just gonna like travel the world. I freaked out and I signed this lease to this apartment. I legitimately thought I was gonna be in this apartment for 3 months. Like I dead ass thought, oh, it's just 3 months. Like I literally remember telling the guy that worked at the office because I had to sign a 16-month lease on this apartment and I was freaking out because I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be here for 16 months. Like there's no way on the damn planet I'm going to live here for 16 months. That's over a freaking year. I didn't decorate this place. I never bought any home decor. I basically made this place like just a box, you know? Just stupid things. Like I didn't care about candles and towels and what color my shower curtain was gonna be. And I just didn't care about any of that with this place because I really just wanted this to be temporary. Lo and behold, I ended up staying the whole 16 months. I'm just taking L's after L's with this whole plan of just, you know? So when the 16 months started to come up, which was 2 months ago, when it came time to renew my lease, I was like, listen, Ava, it's time. It's time. Just do it. So I got a storage unit, and for the past week, I've been moving all my stuff into this storage unit. It's a huge storage unit. It's like 10 by 40 because I'm taking this seriously, guys, as seriously as I can be. I'm putting all my shit in there. Like I'm not gonna have a place. So yeah, this could be really bad, but I think it's gonna be really good. Yeah. I've been talking for so long on my Instagram just about the places that I've always wanted to live, the places I've always wanted to experience more, like Washington and like Norway with Olav, and I want to take Hanalei to Norway, and that would just be super expensive if I was renting an apartment and also trying to like constantly switch my surroundings. So I thought that this would be the best option. It's gonna be stressful, but I think it's going to be beneficial. So yeah, I just wanted to take this video to kind of update you guys and say goodbye to this apartment and all the memories and the beautiful sunsets and the best lighting of any place I've ever lived has given me. Yeah. I'm just reflecting. Just thinking about where I'm gonna live next. Olav and I are trying to move in together, so I don't really want to get a new apartment until he gets to America and we can look together. So until then, the plan is no plan. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to say that, but like seriously, the plan is no plan. That sounds so fun to say. I highly recommend saying that today. Just find a situation it applies for and say the plan is no plan. I guess I'll end it on this. If you're watching this and you have been scared to make a change in your life and try something new, and maybe you've been holding back on something that sounds crazy, an idea that sounds crazy, I want to encourage you guys to explore it and just, at the end of the day, just send it. Everything's gonna be okay in the end. I'm not stressed. No matter what happens, there's always a solution. We're gonna have a fun next couple months on this channel being nomadic. Why is my Uber driver on the way? Oh, he comes in 29 minutes. Okay, cool. I was like, I'm not ready to leave right now. That's my suitcase. Hopefully it's under 50 pounds because I do not want to pay the extra. But yeah, we're moving. All right, see you next week for this exciting journey, and I love you guys, and try something new today, and the plan is no plan. See you next week. I don't know where I'm gonna be, but I'll see you next week. So we'll see. Have a good day. Bye.